Hello friends, welcome to our channel Take Cares. Friends, today we are going to discuss a topic antiseptic, and today I have two type of antiseptic. First, I have hydrogen peroxide 6%. Hydrogen peroxide, what is the use? And second, aspirate, two type of antiseptic. But what is main use today we are discuss, because two antiseptic are same like that, but composition are different and uses some different, common some different. The first we are discuss hydrogen peroxide. What is the uses for hydrogen peroxide? The hydrogen peroxide are mainly used for a small cuts and bacterial infection to growing a stalk in external body part, like our hand, some cut, small cuts, then to use hydrogen peroxide. But here some doubt, maximum members and persons have some doubts, what is the use for spirit? Because a spirit, if you use to cut, is also used for the minor cut, but the spirit, if you are the put a spirit, then some burning sensation, and hydrogen peroxide is the cool, no any sensation. The spirit are mainly the kill for bacteria and also living and non-living organisms like virus, bacteria, fungi, etc. But hydrogen peroxide are only for kill for bacteria, living organisms like bacteria, fungus, and both are same like that. But hydrogen peroxide mainly used for children's, because spirit are uses after the burning sensation to very hard, and hydrogen peroxide have no any sensation. Then two some different, and also the spirit composition is the ethanol, methanol, that type of composition, but hydrogen peroxide is the only for composition. And the hydrogen peroxide, the percentage of the include H2O, water, the like I have this hydrogen peroxide in 6%. 6% is 94% in H2O, water, and 6% of the hydrogen peroxide, the composition. And spirit is the ethanol and methanol and H2O. The spirit are living and non-living. The organisms are kill, and hydrogen peroxide only for living organisms is the kill. The different, and is the have burning sensation. Here have no burning sensation. Suppose burning, if your skin first degree and second degree to the burn, then use to the hydrogen peroxide, because the burning is already is the painful. Then if you are used for a spirit, then your pain are multiply. And hydrogen peroxide have no multiplication and no extra pain sensation. Then friends, the two ingredients are same like that, but some different. And the spirit are also used for the like injection, used for before use injection, the inject clean of the skin, after that the give injection. And but hydrogen peroxide are not used for the before give the injection, because spirit are the evaporate in air, but hydrogen peroxide are not evaporate. And third, the both, if you are open the lid, then is the evaporate in air, this is inside of the bottle, is the not evaporate. And also this is the main different. And also the don't use for the spirit in the internal part. Any internal part don't use, because is the burning of the also soft skin. Your soft skin is the burning. And also is the use for if your mouth inside are some cuts and any type of small type of disease, then use for hydrogen peroxide is the not problem, but a spirit don't use. also mouth and internal any organs part. Friends, I hope today this video are very useful, and thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel and like this video. And friends, have you want to interested to complete any disease and disorder regarding to the full knowledge, please log in my website www.takecares.co.in. Today we are discuss this topic, and next video we are coming soon. Thank you very much.